Clipchamp Create.
So hey guys, welcome to our new
Clipchamp
video on
Create.
programming languages, and I'm your host Chirag Saxena. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. So, programming language.
Clipchamp Create.
In this video, we will cover many main topics like key topics like examples, definitions, history, and syntaxes, which are mainly very
Clipchamp
important
Create.
in the study of programming languages, and we are going to study programming language now. So let's move forward.
Clipchamp Create.
What is a programming language? As you may have clicked this video, you may be interested in knowing what is a programming language. So,
Clipchamp Create.
a programming language. A programming language is a formal language which comprises a set of instructions that produce various kinds of
Clipchamp
output.
Create.
Programming languages are used in computer programming to implement algorithms. So what are algorithms? Algorithms are the set of instructions which we give to a
Clipchamp
computer,
Create.
which it then processes and gives an output like we use apps like FaceApp and Facebook.
Clipchamp Create.
So some wait, uh, okay examples for programming language. So you may
Clipchamp
have known
Create.
heard many of them: Python, Java, Fortran, C Hash, Basic, C++, SQL, PHP, Visual Basic,
Clipchamp
and
Create.
Ruby. Now, some definitions.
Clipchamp
A
Create.
programming language is a formal language which comprises a set of instructions that we have already talked about that produce various kinds of output. Again,
Clipchamp
programming
Create.
languages are used in computer programming to implement algorithms. Same.
Clipchamp Create.
Let's talk about programming language. It's very important to study about its history. The development in programming languages were mainly in three
Clipchamp
generations.
Create.
You can read it in the video. First generation, which mainly comprised of the punch cards, which we used as a input for our computer, and
Clipchamp
again the
Create.
output was again in the form of punch cards only. Second generation, assembly languages. They were usually and the set of instructions which we still use
Clipchamp Create.
and are still using in our day-to-day work. Now, second generation, let's move forward. You can read all this. Third generation consists
Clipchamp
of
Create.
smart code. Short code statements represented mathematical expressions in understandable form. However, they program every time it ran, making the process much
Clipchamp
slower
Create.
and running the equivalent machine code. Again, as the generation moves forward,
Clipchamp
the
Create.
as we have not advanced so much, the third generation languages are still slower, but we are making advancements very fast now. Let's move
Clipchamp
forward.
Create.
That we have talked about history. Let's come on uses now. Uses. Programmers use programming languages to
Clipchamp
communicate with
Create.
computers. Some programming languages are used to create programs to solve problems or to interpret data. Other programming languages are more suitable for
Clipchamp Create.
making creative software or apps that entertain. Like Face app now currently is in hype, which is usually
Clipchamp Create.
was made to entertain people and not for any like what should I say, not for any
Clipchamp
constructive work.
Create.
Now, but it's an hype again. Syntax. The most important thing in a programming language is syntax. Most programming languages are purely
Clipchamp
textual.
Create.
They use sequences of text including words, numbers, and punctuations, much like written natural languages. On the other hand, there are some programming languages
Clipchamp
which are
Create.
graphical in nature, using visual interpretations between symbols to specify a program. Now, talk about some
Clipchamp
commonly used
Create.
programming languages. Now, we have Python, Java, and C++. We have kept this video short and again in content to
Clipchamp Create.
Python. Euromondism, as you may have know him, Python. Python is a widely used
Clipchamp
general purpose
Create.
high level programming language. And now again it's a techie terms now here. Python is a widely used general purpose. high-level programming language.
Clipchamp
It's a
Create.
language which everybody can understand, and its input are also in the human readable languages. Like the input is in English, can learn
Clipchamp
easily.
Create.
General we can. It was initially designed by Guido van, pardon for my vocab, in 1991
Clipchamp
and
Create.
developed by Python Software Foundation. It was mainly developed for emphasis on code, readability, and its syntax. Allows programmers to express
Clipchamp
concepts
Create.
in fewer lines of code. Again, easy. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more efficiently.
Clipchamp
As
Create.
Python was again a huge thing in the tech
Clipchamp
world
Create.
as it made many things simple. Let's move forward. Java.
Clipchamp
As you may
Create.
again have heard name of James Gosling, Java is one of the most popular and widely used programming language and platform. A platform is an environment that
Clipchamp
helps to
Create.
develop and run programs written in any language. Java is fast, reliable, and secure, not more than
Clipchamp
Python.
Create.
Java is now declining as Python is gaining more, but not so much. Java is again a very beautiful language to learn and
Clipchamp
interpret.
Create.
Java is fast, reliable, and secure. From desktop to web applications, scientific computers to gaming consoles, Java is
Clipchamp
everywhere.
Create.
C++. C++ was developed by Bajan Shostakov as again
Clipchamp
and
Create.
from my vocab. C++ is a general purpose programming language created by Bajan Shostakov as an extension of C programming language for C with classes.
Clipchamp
The
Create.
language has expanded significantly over time, and modern C++ has object-oriented generic and functional features in
Clipchamp
to
Create.
always addition to facilities for low-level memory manipulation, and many vendors provide C++ compilers, including a C Software Foundation, LLVM, Microsoft, Intel, and IBM. So it is available on many platforms. Thank you for being such a patient listener, and thank you for clicking on and seeing this video. Thank you, and goodbye.